Good morning, students. Nice to meet you. Today we are going to learn about two-letter word in Hindi. For example, if it is pal means we should say pal. For la, we should keep dot and say il. Say pa la pal. See, fa la fal. Last letter is la. You should say the last letter as il. Fa la fal. Fal means fruits. Pa la pal. Pa la pal. Pal means fruits. Na la null. Null means tap. Na la. See, the last letter la is coming, so you should say as il. Na il null. Na il null. This is ha la. La, the last letter is la. You should say as il. Ha il hal. Hal means plug. Ha la hal. Ha la hal. Now ga ra gar. Gar means house. Here ga ra. Last letter is ra. You should pronunciation as ir. Ga ra gar. Gar means house. See, this one is jak. Ja ga. The last letter is ga. So you should say as ig. Ja ga jak. Ja ga jak. Ja ga jak. This one is ba sa bus. See, the last letter is sa. So you should say as is. Ba is bus. Ba sa bus. This one is kalam. Kalam means pen. Here the last letter is ma. So you should say as im. Ka la im kalam. Ka la im kalam. Kalam means pen. See, this one is ka ma il kamal. The last letter is la. So you should pronounce as il. Ka ma il kamal. Kamal means lotus. Ka ma il kamal. Ma ha in mahal. Mahal means castle. Here the last letter is la. So you should pronounce as il. Ma ha il mahal. Ma ha il mahal. This one is kalash. Ka-la-sha. Shal means you should pronounce as ish. Ka-la-sha. Kalash. Ka-la-ish. Kalash. Ka-la-ish. Kalash. This one is badak. Ba-da-ka. The last letter is ka. So you should pronounce it as ig. Ba-da-ik. Badak means duck. Ba-da-ik. Badak. Ba-da-ik. Badak. This one is magar. The last letter is ra. So you should say as ir. Ma-ga-ir. Magar. Magar means crocodile. Ma-ga-ir. Magar. Ma-ga-ir. Magar. Thank you, students. Write two-letter words 20 using consonants and practice well.